Hey guys, Dave from Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial full hydraulic Panbrake 4004NC2. So that's a 4 metre by 4 mil mild steel capacity or 2 mil stainless, and it's an NC2 programmable Panbrake, which means it controls, it operates the folding angle and also the ball screw back gauge, making that a 2-axis NC controller. It's a 45 program 16-step NC controller, so you can work in conjunction with folding with your back gauge positioning. The Steelmaster full hydraulic Panbrake, we offer that in a 2.5 long, 3.2, and this is our longest one at 4 metres. As I said, the 4 metre one's used for general sheet metal fabrication, but also used for our industrial commercial powdering customers because they like to use the 3.7 to 4 metre by 1.6 stainless steel. Heavy duty build, of course, which is all the Steelmaster Industrial Panbrakes and machinery in general, backed up by our service support and also spare parts for 25 years. Let's run through some of the actual key features. We've got the right hand positioned NC2 controller, as you can see there. The foot pedal control operation, which you can generally do most of the operations from the foot pedal, which has the 3 pedals, and the controller itself. Heavy duty steel frame, like as you can see, that's about a 60 mil plus heavy duty front beam. We've got solid billet steel for the stems and hardened ground fingers all the way along. These are all segmented, they're all finely ground, so it's actually very hard to see the segments, but when you come in close you can see that. But hardened ground for exacting finishes. There's your folding wear strip there, and there's your removable front angle. But heavy duty build, as we've said before, we've sold to the industrial metalworking industry for 25 years now, so we know what the customers require. Run around the machine itself. Behind the machine, which we'll run through very shortly, you'll see the ball screw. Now this one's got an extra long 1 metre ball screw back gauge in it. The standard one's around 800, 900, but the customers have requested a 1 metre one. We can go 1.2, 1.5 as well, if need be. Run around the machine, see heavy duty build frame. We've got the front laser guards here for OHS safety. We've got a little toolbox there for your manual. High quality, low noise hydraulics, as you can see all the way through there. There's your NC2 roller ball back gauge. So simply the sheet comes through here, hits the positioning fingers, and that basically dictates your back gauge position. So ease of transfer right across this table here. So just imagine what you can do with your Panbrake fold having a 2-axis controller. Run around the back, as we see down there, as I said, high quality build, low noise hydraulics, that's running at the moment, so very, very quiet for the workplace. And then back around the front again, see the finish of this machine here, and Kaylin's going to step in and just run through a basic programming sequence.
Right, thanks Dave. So we're just going to run through just a basic program, what we've got loaded up at the moment. As Dave mentioned, we've got 45 individual programs. We can store up to 16 steps in each of these programs, and we can also store some basic notes in these programs, just for keeping track of existing jobs that you've got loaded up. We're just going to load up this one here. We're just going to do 2 folds, both at 65 mil length. This is our normal operating screen. We've just got some info on the current step that you're on, the current back gauge position, and the current fold that you're doing. So we're going to put our steel in now. It's already in position. Up against the fingers. Clamp that. And we're going to run that through to fold.
See down there the bottom beam, as I said, that's 65, 70 mil thick, so heavy duty. We don't skimp on steel, heavy duty build.
Alright, so there's fold number 1. Just going to flip that around, other way around, that's it, beautiful. Yep. And fold number 2. There you have it.
Fantastic. Thanks, Kaylin. So there's our 4004NC Panbrake from Asset Plant Machinery. Jump online or call us 1800 812 415. Thanks. Have a great day.